let it cook. Then we are gonna add our olive. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Reza, former scientist in area of the nutrition and skeletal research, and during the last 7 years I work in the pharma industry. In today's video I want to share with you how you can prepare kingfish wing in tomato sauce with rice. It's delicious food, it's healthy, but you're wondering why I'm gonna use kingfish wing for preparing this one. To cut a story short, the last fishing trip with my friend, he managed, after trying a few years to catch one kingfish, we managed to catch one, as you can see in these photos. And I got different parts of that fish, and one part which I got was the wings part, which has a lot of actually nutritious and meat, but you have to separate it from other parts which you can't basically eat. Then if you are wondering how you can prepare, if you get lucky and have a kingfish wing, you should keep watching this video. This is kingfish wings, which we're gonna cook it, and to do that we're gonna use salt, water and a bit of garlic. And then for sauce I'm gonna use tomato paste, and then I add a couple of fresh tomato, garlic, onion. For spices, salt or vegeta, smoked paprika, chili flake, turmeric, some fennel seed and black pepper. Also I'm going to add some of the olive. If ideally this have a stone, ideally if you have no stone is better, but that's what I have. And I'm going to add some capsicum and green bean and carrot as well. I'm gonna peel 2 garlic, add it, and meanwhile I'm boiling some water in kettle. I would like to prepare my meal as quick as possible, because usually, similar to a lot of people, time poor, but there's no excuse to not having good healthy food. All right, as you can see the water is boiling. I'm gonna add just a teaspoon of the rock salt, and I add 2 garlic. I didn't have a lot of water because I don't want to just sauce become too watery. Then I'm going to put those one inside this. I'll let it cook. I'll let it cook. As I said, shouldn't take that long to cook, maybe around 15 minutes. And I have a look if it's already is easy to remove the skins and separate the meat from it. That's what I want, and I'll leave it to cool down. Meanwhile I can start to preparing a sauce as well. At this point I'm going to prepare the sauce as our fish and start getting prepared. Just cutting the onion to small pieces. Rice already cooking in the rice cooker, and this is our pot. I'm going to add some olive oil, chopped onion here, gonna just peel those garlic. Onion almost start to dehydrating, and fry. In that point I add some tomato paste, almost 2 teaspoons, and start to frying them with the onion to give nice bright color. At this point also add 1 teaspoon of the turmeric and 1 teaspoon of the black pepper, 2 tablespoons of the smoked paprika. I'm gonna add a bit of more olive oil and start to frying the spices together. Right, now I'm gonna add some of the garlic as well. Okay, chopping now the tomatoes to pieces. Adding tomatoes here. Vegeta, just give a bit of saltiness, not too much because I'm going to add later on olive as well, which have salt, and some chili flake, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of the fennel seed, and quickly mix them up. Right, and at this point I turn this one off. Our fish wing is already cooked. At this point I'm gonna take them out of this fish stock, and then I transfer this stock into other pot which already I fried some of the ingredient and to prepare our sauce. Just taking this out of here. Then this is fish stock. We're gonna just put it in sieve and add it to our sauce. Excellent. And then let's start to adding other ingredient to the sauce, and we can keep preparing our sauce. Add some of this carrot and put it in the stock, the sauce, sorry. Right now just chopping the capsicums. Alright, just we let a bit of our carrot cook for maybe 10 minutes, and then I add the bean and capsicum, but at the same time I'm going to start to deboning our meat and make it ready for next stage. Perfect. Add this one, the last, to our fish sauce, and we're going to be ready to serve. So we're going to add our other ingredient, which is capsicum and the bean. Put the lid, just cook for 5 minutes. Then we are gonna add our olive. I'm going to add some of the olive. Put 3 tablespoons. Mix them up. And let it just blend together. For the final stage, I'm going to add our fish here. And gently mix them. I don't want to just break them too many small pieces. Just for maybe a 1-2 minutes. Let it cook together. Then we're gonna serve it. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I really hoping you try to prepare that meal. If you don't have kingfish actually wing, you can do the same sauce with different type of fish or different part of the kingfish, but I use it basically this part because I just want to utilize every part of this beautiful fish. If you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give a thumb up, and I encourage you to have at least 1 or 2 meals of seafood per week in your diet. It's going to help you with your health in many areas, which I don't want to get involved now to explain, but if you are wanting to know, please put the comment to find more. But there is a lot of resources in YouTube, you can find it as well. In the end, I want to just thank you all for giving your time, and I encourage you to try to eat healthy, be active, and be curious. Bye for now.
That's a good king. Man.